Mint Mobile and Visible are budget-friendly MVNOs offering unlimited plans, but they differ significantly. Mint Mobile, backed by T-Mobile, uses promotional pricing starting at $15 a month for the first 3 months, then $25 a month for unlimited data, talk, and text on T-Mobile's 5G network. Visible, owned by Verizon, offers a straightforward $40 a month unlimited plan on Verizon's 5G network. Key difference: Mint offers cheaper initial rates, while Visible provides more consistent network reliability due to Verizon's infrastructure. Mint's data may be deprioritized during congestion, while Visible offers unlimited high-speed data, but also with potential deprioritization. Choose Mint for cost savings if you're in an area with strong T-Mobile coverage, or Visible for more reliable coverage, especially in rural areas. Both Mint Mobile and Visible offer no-contract prepaid plans with bring-your-own-device options. Mint provides 5G access but may deprioritize data during peak usage. Recent updates include Mint's Disney Plus streaming bundle for an extra fee, while Visible introduced a family plan at $25 per line. When choosing between Mint and Visible, consider your budget, location, and data usage. Mint appeals to cost-conscious urban users valuing promotions, while Visible suits those prioritizing network reliability. Check coverage maps, and expert reviews show Visible rated higher for quality, Mint for value. The best choice depends on your specific needs.